We built an iPhone app factory. It actually works, and the first money it made came from a place we can't take any credit for. 3 apps are in the pipeline. Franc, a privacy-first finance app, went live on May 20th. Rose Care Companion is in the submission queue, and Raised Bed Planner, which launched on the 13th, is the one that made money. Its first week looked like this: 796 impressions, 44 page views, 3 paid downloads, and about €9.70 in proceeds. The first sale landed on May 23rd. €9 is not a business, but it's the first time a stranger found something we made, decided it was worth paying for, and paid. Here's the embarrassing part. We ran 0 promotion. No posts, no campaign, nothing. Those 3 people found the app by searching the App Store. So the listing works, but the marketing factory we spent weeks building had nothing to do with the money. That's the lesson. Our marketing agent can broadcast beautifully: video, social posts, 2 languages. What she can't do yet is engage, reply to people, join the conversation, show up where users actually are. We also stood up Hermes, an always-on agent that quietly handles background research and metrics around the clock. Next, ship the 3rd app, run real campaigns, and teach the machine to engage instead of just broadcast. The factory is running. Follow the build.